going on, guys? It's Shivas back with you again, and welcome to another unboxing. And this time around we're gonna unbox the MPOW EG10 gaming headset. Now if you're on a budget, this is the headset for you. They're quite affordable and only cost $20 to $25. So this is the MPOW box. Dream, explore, and inspire. And who knows, for only 20 bucks, I got it on Amazon for that price. I might get real inspired. Right here below, we have the general characteristics. It comes with a 3D surround sound, 50mm driver, and LED light, noise cancelling mic, and it has quite a wide compatibility. You can use it with your PC, your PS4, Xbox One Series, Mac, Switch, cell phone, or other devices compatible with a 3.5mm audio jack. At the sides, we have right here, we have a picture and more on the same characteristics. But if we take a look at the back, we have more information or more specific information. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box, check it out, and see the build quality, and even run a test, and you guys can decide for yourselves. So what's in the box? I'm gonna talk about the headset. You can tell immediately that this thing is pretty light. It's only 254 grams and you're not gonna feel that heaviness you have sometimes when you've been wearing a gaming headset for quite a while. The build is quite acceptable for a $20 headset, and remember that what matters is that it gets the job done. So right here you have the MPOW logo. And here you have the R for the right, and here you have the L for the left. And here is the mic, which you can move up and down. Okay, it's okay up to here. It's about 120 degrees all the way back here. And here you can, it's quite easy. The only thing is you cannot, oh yeah, you can. Yeah, you can bend it a little bit, so it's quite flexible. Which is good. I'm talking about the cushions that feel very soft. I mean, it does have a lot of cushions. Look at it here, right here on top. And this headset is quite foldable. Okay, it's not cracking and it won't crack. As per inline control, you have a very long cord. It's about 2.2 meters or 7.22 feet long, and it's quite durable. As you can see, it's threaded. At the bottom here you have, so you have your jack to connect to play games, and you have a USB cord to activate the LED light. Here you can see you have the instructions only for LED power supply. You also get an extra jack to connect to a phone or PC or Mac, whatever you want to connect to. Whatever you want to connect to, that has a jack on it. And you have a manual instruction. Talking about manual instructions, okay, so this is the frequently asked questions if you have doubts about the connection, and you have the manual right here. So we can, let me see, it's in English, Danish, French, Spanish, Japanese, Italian. Yeah, basically it's a very simple guide, but it will do the work. So we're gonna put this guy on and check it out for the mic test. Hi, this is the mic test for the MPOW EG10 headset. Let me see, I can't hear myself from outside. It's totally like noise cancelling. That's it.
Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments below.
And hope you have learned something in this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you'll get notified when we upload new video. Ciao.